Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Testing of microplastics and identifying if there is a presence of microplastics in tap water and in the water bodies which we use for drinking in India. And we took up Goa as a specific area of work. This is perhaps, if I know correctly, the first study that has been done to identify presence of microplastics in drinking water or tap water and in water which is used for drinking purposes. We picked up 11 samples from different sources in Goa, and the findings are quite alarming and quite serious to, I think, get some attention on this issue and to look for more scientific evidence and fill up this knowledge gap that we have on microplastics in various sources.
This study is showing the one-time data, so we need more comprehensive study in future. That is so that I would like to say in the beginning itself. And secondly, this tap water, although has been taken from Goa, as Mr. Satish told that because of the lockdown we couldn't extend our study to other cities. Coming to the results directly, if I say the OPA we have found in the pre-treated water. First, let me tell you that definitely the pre-treated water has more microplastics than the post-treated water. So here the good news is that our treatment procedure is not that bad, because definitely there is a big difference between the pre-treated water and the post-treated water. Post-treated water, now you see the data. OPA is the highest we got, and then Canacona, Asanora and Selaulim. So again I am telling that these are all from the one-time data. So first data showing these things. And the post-treated, when we are checking, in the post-treated water, Canacona rather we found the higher than Asanora and OPA and Selaulim. So the treatment procedure of all these treated plant is almost same, that they are doing the aeration and the chlorination procedure. I myself visited all the some of the treatment plant, and I collected some samples from there, and also Sushant collected sample. And then we collected the respective tap water. So from Mapusa, Marcel, Margao and Panaji, we collected the residential tap water, which is normally coming in the tap in the morning time and people use that. So we collected those residential tap water what normally people are using. But in Konkani we have we particularly went to a market where the tap water has been used by many number of people, because many people are coming to the market, they use the tap water for drinking also. So this Konkani we have taken from the marketplace. So when it's come to the tap water, yes, this Mapusa we have got highest, than Marcel, then next Canacona, followed by Margao, and Panaji is the lowest we have found in our study. So here in the table you can see that Margao sample is tap water is is controlled by the Selaulim treatment plant, Panaji is by OPA, Mapusa is Asanora, Canacona is the Canacona treatment plant, and Marcel again OPA. So these are the respective treatment plant which is responsible for this tap water. Now the question is that if we are getting pre-treated water, if we are getting microplastics, justified, because this is coming directly from the environment. If we are getting microplastics in the river water or estuarine water, so it is justified that we can get in the water which is coming as a pre-treated. But the question is that how it is after the post-treated it is reduced, but then how it is coming to the tap water.